content creation. If you access my channel, you will find many videos that contain explanations and courses on how to make money from the content creation, just by posting videos, whether on TikTok or even YouTube. I guarantee you that all the videos that explained how to make them in are 100% monetizable, unlike popular videos such as podcasts and others. So in this video, I will explain to you a new way to use Adobe Animation, which specializes in moving cartoon characters through audios. We will use it in this explanation to benefit from this free tool. So now we will go to write the script, then we turn to generating audio, then the cartoon character, and finally download the pictures and other supplies. And in the last paragraph of this video, you will be dedicated to the montage method. So let's start first by writing our script.
The Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine, once thrived in Tasmania's wilderness, preying on small animals and birds. Resembling a blend of tiger and wolf, it was a shy yet skilled hunter. European settlers, fearing for their livestock, hunted the thylacine relentlessly, and bounties were paid for each kill, leading to a sharp decline in their population by the early 20th century. Habitat destruction and competition with introduced species, like dogs, further exacerbated their decline. The last known thylacine died in captivity in 1936, making it a powerful symbol of the delicate balance between humans and nature, and highlighting the urgent need for biodiversity conservation.
First, we will go to ChatGPT. So first, we copy the first prompt like this and send it to him to suggest a group of extinct animals like this. As you can see, he suggested to me many of them. So now I will choose an animal from the animals and copy it and paste it in the second prompt like this, and copy the second prompt completely like this, and we send it to the ChatGPT to write us a suitable script for our video. In this way, after writing the script now, we will ask him to rewrite it in one paragraph in this way. We will now need the narrator of this paragraph. So we will go to 11 Labs website to convert writing into saying. Because this site provides you with thousands of important voices, I choose the voice of a woman because the character we will use in the video will be a woman, so we will need a female voice like this. So I will return to the script and copy the paragraph about the narrator like this, and paste it here and click on Generate and download the audio after preparing it. After downloading the audio now, we go to the Adobe Animation website. This is his interface. We go to this interface, then here you will show you 3 options that you can change. The first of which are the character, then the background, and finally the size of the video. We are now going to work in the form of a video that suits Reels, Instagram, and TikTok videos. In this way, we add this exact character. I want it to be a female character, and in addition to this background, because I found it more consistent with our script in this way. You always make sure of the size of the character and its place because you can modify it. Then now we will add the audio from here in this way. We click on the browser and then choose the audio we want, and then we are waiting until the video is prepared in this way. After you are waiting now, you can download the video for free by clicking on the download button like this. Now we will go back to ChatGPT and copy the name of the animal like this, then we search on the image published on Google, then we choose the pictures we want and number and upload them to use in our video. It is not necessary for the photos to be from Google, but the photos must be without copyright. After you upload the photos, now we will need music, so we will head to Pixabay and search for music without rights. Printing and publishing are suitable for our topic. The important thing after choosing it, we download it in this way. Now I will go to YouTube and search for camera transitions and overlay camera effects, and I will download them, of course, if they are without copyright. Now we are going to the CapCut and we add all the accessories that we have previously downloaded. Then we will add the video of the character like this. And then we will try to add the pictures in this way first. A picture in the first video, and then we will leave a paragraph in which the character appears, and then we will add 2 pictures, and so on the same way until our pictures are finished. We return to a picture separately. Then first we increase its size and focus on one aspect of the image. Then we add the keyframe here exactly. It must be at the beginning of the picture. Then we add another keyframe and we change the angle of the image. Then we change the place of the keyframe to the end of the video and all this to give us a beautiful look for the images that move by these keyframes, the same way we apply it to all the pictures. Then we go back again to each picture and we go to adjustment and then to saturation and we reduce it to 50 to convert the picture to black and white colors in this way. And in the same way again, we apply it to all pictures, then we add the vignette effect to all the photos. But for the video, we reduce its intensity to 50%. Now we add the videos that we downloaded earlier, and we cut them according to the effects. As you can see, each one we cut and isolate one. The important thing is to collect the 3 effects in one image, and at each edition we add the screen feature to delete the black background and to save the effects. But if the images are not enough, we copy the videos in this way. We will also need the second video to cut and protect on camera transitions in this way. We adjust the size and add the screen option, and then we add it to the places that contain the appropriate transitions in this way. Now it's time to add captions, so we'll now go to the text option feature, then choose auto caption, make sure that the language is on English, then we press create, and we'll wait until the writing appear with us. Now, after the time of writing, we first change their templates in this way, as you can see, and then we try to modify their place in this way. And lastly, not lastly, we will add the music that we downloaded earlier. We will use, but we always reduce its voice and add to it the feature of fade in and fade out. And we reduce its voice a little so that it does not exceed the voice of the narrator, and adjust the duration of the music as well. We are now extracting the video, and as I always say, make sure the quality of the video and the number of frames before extracting it. We meet in a new video, bye bye.